Discover Primescan 2's new photo gallery mode on DS Core. Let's begin. Let's begin by launching a scan session with Primescan 2. To enter 2D photo mode, simply triple tap the device. During image acquisition, you'll see a structured media gallery on screen, organized into 3 folders: white light, fluorescence, and near infrared. Each folder displays the last image taken as a thumbnail, with the total number of images shown beneath the folder name. All images of the selected folder are displayed vertically next to the folder. All images of the other folders are displayed as a stack with the most recent one on top. Let's select the white light folder to explore the new gallery mode. All images are displayed vertically and in order of their acquisition time. Tap any image to enlarge it, complete with a timestamp at the center of the screen. Once you've reviewed and curated your images, finish the session. Your selected photos are now stored in the patient's media gallery, organized, accessible, and ready for review. And that's it! Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.